Everyone, Frank Andrus here, and welcome to the Authority Site Project. So, what is an authority site? Why should you care? And why am I building them exclusively as a marketing tool to sell every product or service or opportunity that I represent online? Because authority sites have great potential. Actually, they have the most potential of any kind of site. That's why you need to build authority sites and only authority sites. Authority sites are a proven income business model. And I'm going to show you in a minute how all of the big companies get billions and billions of free clicks by using this model. So what is an authority site? Well, an authority site is a website that is trusted by the search engine. So how do they get trusted? Well, they produce a lot of subject matter on a particular topic. An example is if you create 100 pieces of content on social media marketing on Facebook, they're going to deem you an authority on Facebook marketing. If you have 1,000 pieces of content on the same subject matter, you will have much more authority over the site that has 100. So now let's learn the big secret to massive exposure on Google. Okay, so the best way I think to explain this again is that the biggest authority in retail is Amazon. Like we have so many big players, right? Walmart and these other big companies, and many of them even spend money with Google to pay for clicks to drive them to their site. But when you're deemed an authority, all of that stops and Google just sends you traffic. I'm here on Google and let's say tablets. We'll type in tablets. I'm going to search. Okay, so right off the bat, okay, this is a paid ad. And then third is Amazon. Okay, this is not a paid ad. They're here for tablets because Google deems them an authority. So here's another weird example of what I'm talking about. Okay, tablet computer, Wikipedia. Okay, why are they here on a retail search term? Well, Wikipedia is here on almost most searches you do online because they have a document for everything. So Google says, oh, when somebody types something in, might as well give them something from Wikipedia. Amazon is getting top results for every search and not paying a dime because Google says they have more content and more pages than any other retailer, so we're going to put them on the front page for just about anything. So let's think of something else. I don't know, what else could we put for Amazon? All right, so let's try something off the wall here. Dog tags. See that? Amazon. And guess who was at the top again? Wikipedia. Like this is about dog tags. So another good example is in the health niche, WebMD is a website that has, 100 or 1,000 articles on every topic you can imagine. So if I put in, I don't know, treat minor burns, okay? And I hit enter. Okay, so here's an example of what I'm saying. First up, WebMD. Let's see what if I type in something really big like diabetes, because this is a huge buyer keyword, okay? There are so many products for diabetes, the competition to get on the front page is ridiculously fierce. So you can see it, right? Look at all the ads. We know that there's lots of, so the Diabetes Association is first and WebMD is second. And Wikipedia is third. So do you understand the point now? If we create 1,000 pages on your product, service, or opportunity, we can get you on the front page of Google. Not once, not twice, but many, many times depending on the competition. Now, how much of a factor would that be for your business? Let's take a look at some of the results that we've seen, okay? All right, so time to look at some results. We've seen amazing results with this method. It's really exciting every time I think about what we're currently doing for our business and some of the things that we've seen happen with our authority site project. This is the first of our mind-blowing results. This domain was bought on December 21st, 2015. Okay, so now it's still not even 3 months old. No links to it and no backlinks put to it at all, at all, at all. Okay, 197 top 10 rankings. Okay, 197. Big Dog Personal Training Inc. One of the things that we can do with sites like this is we can build these huge sites on a plain, ugly website and get it ranked for 676 top keyword rankings, keep growing that, and then we start selling cities or states, and we do a cool little overlay pop-up. I'll give you an example of that in a minute, right over any one of these particular pages. So we build thousands and thousands of pages to a brand new domain that was never on the internet before, no links to it, almost 700 top 10 ranking. That is mind-blowing. Okay, so here we are on the site that I just showed you that had almost 700 top 10 results. Because I want to show you a couple things. One, this site's ugly, it's plain. Okay, but we can, if somebody wants a site like this, we can do a variety of things with this site with custom HTML and custom sidebars. But I'm going to show you in a minute, one of the coolest things we do is we actually put an overlay pop-up of whatever your money site is, or your capture page, or your offer, whatever. Anyways, well, what I wanted to show you here is, I know some of you are going to say, well, I'm going to check out those Big Dog Personal rank. All right, so if you want to see if one of these links is ranked, then grab the title of the article, copy it, go over to Google, paste it. All right, so this one is, so let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th. Okay, 7th on the first page. So you're welcome to go through all of these, but remember, there's thousands of links and only 700 of them are ranked. But this is a real site with real rankings. Now, what am I talking to you about the overlays? Okay, so this is a test site we built to show you that, you know, you can put whatever you want in the sidebar, and, you know, I can have a nicer header, I can put a menu, all of these things, but I don't use it for that purpose. You know, you can do it for like people who want to do AdSense and stuff like that. You can put HTML banners or AdSense code in there, but how I do it is like this, okay? I click on this link and it didn't go to that site, okay? It went to my capture page about this productivity webinar because I wasn't interested in them seeing the content. We got the content ranked, but then we put an overlay pop-up, which Google sees just like, you know, just like an exit pop-up or any other pop-up you see on a site. So Google looks at it like that. But how cool is it like this? I got a piece of content ranked. We don't care about the content. We just want them to go to whatever page we want them to. So if I go down a little bit here and then I click on another link, I'll give you another example. So this is a, you know, what if you're an affiliate marketer for GetResponse? Now when a person clicks on anything or a GetResponse, you're going to get the commissions, right? This would be an example of a car lot. We could make thousands of pages on every car make and model. When anyone clicks on the link that said whatever 2010 Audi / whatever that make and model of that is, and somebody clicks on the link, they're going to see what that says about an Audi, but we've sent them to the person's car dealership, okay, where they would have an Audi or a Toyota Camry or whatever the link said that the person was looking for, and we would redirect them to the main money site. One more example. So this one, like I said, this would have your keyword in it, okay, whatever that is. Lose weight fast and city, state, right? And of course, this is just the state of Alaska. We can give you any state, any city. But if I click this, this is a CPA offer. So the keyword would have been about weight loss in the city, in the state. And when somebody from that city or state searched, they would see that title, they would click on it, and they would come to this weight loss burns belly fat. They would fill in to get their free bottle. They get their package, and this company will pay you $28. How cool is that? I hope you can see having an authority site, all of the countless ways it can make you money. And for the first time ever, you now can do it at a ridiculously low price. But let me repeat what I said in the first video. We're giving you this special opportunity because we want your help. We're going to give it to you at our cost so that you can make some money, and then you can tell our future customers how well this worked for you. And of course, we can't do this forever. The first 200 people get top Google rankings for peanuts. So pick the package that's best for you below and buy it today before the opportunity's gone forever.